Nodding onion, Allium cernuum, is a charming perennial plant known for its nodding clusters of pinkish-purple flowers and attractive foliage. Here's a guide on how to grow nodding onion. Planting. Timing: plant nodding onion bulbs or transplants in the spring or fall. Location: choose a sunny or partially shaded spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Soil preparation: ensure the soil is loose, fertile, and well-draining. If the soil is heavy clay, amend it with organic matter or sand to improve drainage. Watering. Establishment: water the plant regularly during the first growing season to help it establish a strong root system. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Drought tolerance: once established, nodding onion is relatively drought tolerant. However, it's a good practice to provide occasional deep watering during extended dry periods. Pruning. Nodding onion requires minimal pruning. Remove any dead or faded flower stalks to maintain a tidy appearance. However, consider leaving some flower stalks intact, as they add visual interest and provide food for pollinators. Fertilization. Nodding onion typically doesn't require heavy fertilization. In most cases, the plant can thrive in average garden soil without additional fertilizers. However, if your soil is poor, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Propagation. Nodding onion can be propagated by division or from seeds. Division: in early spring or fall, carefully dig up the clump. Cold stratification may be required for successful germination. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the beauty and resilience of nodding onion in your garden. Watch as the nodding flower clusters and slender leaves enhance the natural charm of your landscape while providing nectar for pollinators.